Shiny like a hiney. It's the only day we've had sunlight and decent weather in a week now. Of course that happened because I've been wanting to buff out the Travelall. So I think I'll throw on an old dirty flannel here and see if we can't buff her out today. Throw some patina sauce on her. I do got the caps we can pop on. See if we can't get this old girl looking just a little bit better. Let's get started. Let's do a walk around of the Travelall real quick, and I will show you guys what we're trying to accomplish today, and then we'll go over the products we're going to use. So don't mind my awesome tape job here. I'm terrible at crap like this, and I really don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just being honest with you. But I'm hoping you can see on this door here how shiny it is below the trim there. That's because that door's buffed already. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go around and buff all the blue paint, or what's left of the blue paint. And then I'm also hoping you can see right here how shiny that trim is. We're going to try to get it shined up as well. Now, a couple things we do have to be careful, because like right here, that's all spray paint right there. I actually did it this morning to try to match that rust or whatever. But if we get real close, I'm sure you can see some of the lines where the filler cap used to go. So I cut it out and I moved it back here. So this is spray paint around this area too, and you can see some of the grinding marks. And then this stuff here where it kind of looks wet around there, that's actually patina sauce, and that's what we're going to be putting all over the rust on this thing. So to get this thing shined up, we're going to be using a few different products. The main thing for the paint, we're just going to use a rubbing compound. This stuff's 3M, it's Randy's. This is his buffer. I've actually never buffed paint before. I've been using my little drill here with some turtle wax rubbing compound and cleaning up all the paint on the inside. I have a video of it if you guys are interested. So we have this where we can get into some tighter areas if we need to. I'm not trying to make this thing look like a sheet of glass. I'm just trying to bring back a little bit of shine to the paint. Now, like I said, for the rust, we're going to be putting some of this sweet patina sauce. You can get this stuff off his website. Just go to sweetpatina.com. I believe that's what it's called. Yep. And we'll get more into this stuff later. Now, speaking of sweet patina, let me show you something else real quick. So, if you don't know what you're looking at, that is a mount for a roof rack. You set that in the drip rail. You can tighten it up there, a little cam lock style. And then you have the options for bolting on there. He sells an adapter that bolts into there that you can put 1-inch tube through. But these are made by Sweet Patina. So these things are handmade in Texas. If you've ever ran a roof rack, you know it's kind of hard to find these things. So luckily he's building them and offering them. So if you want to run a roof rack, check those out. You can get them off his website as well. So that right there lets you know we'll be doing a roof rack build in the future. So I'm not joking when I said I've never done this before. So basically what my plan is just go at it. I know not to overwork it in areas and try to burn it or whatever. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse here, and I'm gonna just start working my way front to back on the blue. I'll probably try some of the trim, and we'll just see how it goes. If it goes pretty good, I'll probably finish up the side, wipe off all the excess before it has a chance to set up, and then we'll work our way around it and go from there. Better just try it out first. Got my set of eyes on, so it's go time. So I'm hoping you can see how much more this thing's shining. It's turning out pretty good. It really kind of darkens it up. Gives it a lot more depth for sure. So doing along the trim and stuff is obviously tearing up the pad. So before I continue on this side and getting all the different little nooks and crannies, I'm actually go to the other side. As you can see here on the back, there's not a whole lot of blue left back here, so it'll be quick. And then this side has even less blue paint than the driver's side. So real quick, I'm gonna knock out all the large blue areas and then move on to the trim. So I'm gonna go down now and just run up and down this trim, see if we can get it shining just a little bit more. So I'm losing some sunlight here, but I'm hoping you can tell how much shinier all the paint and trim is. I finished going all around here. Got this side all shining up too, what's left of the paint and trim. What I'm going to do now is go wash it really good. It's probably what I should have done in the first place. So I'm not going to take the camera to go wash this. I'm just going to go pressure wash it off and try to get all the extra debris off of it. So in a couple areas, I don't think you can really tell, but there was some dried up buffing compound and some of the rust. I actually used some steel wool in the water and scrubbed on it, and it's taking that stuff off. I'm gonna take the steel wool with me. I want to say it's like, I don't know, I think it's the finest steel wool you can get. I don't remember the number they give it, but any of the buffing compound that gets in there, I don't want to coat that in with the sauce. So I'm gonna go hit it with the pressure washer, see how much of this stuff I can get off and get it cleaned up and ready for some sauce. I know I said I wasn't gonna bring the camera, but I got Hot Rod with me. Give her the sauce, El Ray. Get it. So I had to step in the shop real quick because my neighbor is weed whacking, of course, trying to make a video. But we're to the part I'm most nervous about. Just trying to get this stuff on there evenly. So for this stuff, it says you just apply a little bit to a towel, microfiber, and spread it around, wipe it on however thick you want, get whatever finish you want, let it sit for 20 minutes or so, and then you wipe off the excess. Man, I know that weed whacker's killing the video right now. So I'm gonna do that. We're losing daylight. That was terrible. My shoulder's on fire. So I probably should have knocked all the heavy rust off that roof before. We'll do it in the future if we have to. I'm gonna try to take another towel and get some of the microfibers off that. It's kind of eating up the towel. I'm sure it's hard to see in the camera, but it kind of looks like crap right now just because the rust is so heavy. Do a little close up here where hopefully y'all can see some of the color. I can see some blue coming through here, and you'll just see how this stuff can give it some depth. Looks sweet around there now, don't it? Now we gotta let this set up. It's looking damn good though. I love the way it looks with that patina sauce on there, baby. I have sauced this whole thing now. So we gotta finish letting it set up, and then we will be wiping some off, some of the excess off. I know the sun's gonna kill my video right now, but it's looking pretty good. Woo, woo. Well, since we're putting some lipstick on this pig, why don't we give her a proper set of shoes too? Oh, sweet baby. Yeah, that looks a lot more complete with the caps on. Overall, the whole travel just looks a lot more finished like this. Damn you, son. There we go. What do you guys think? Damn you, Shadow. Oh, baby. Well, thanks for getting sauced with me, everybody. Like I said, I don't know how much buffing really helped as far as working with the sauce goes, but that sauce really adds depth to any vehicle. As you can see on this thing, it's just so the paint and the rust and some of the primer that's underneath there, just everything is so much more bold looking, just looks deeper. It just looks awesome. So that stuff's cheap. I don't even think I used half the bottle, and I guarantee you I used more than you will, just because everything's so heavily rusted. It took quite a bit to get in there. So what do you guys think? Would you like to see me put a coat on the truck? Because I think it would really help it shine up. So thinking about doing that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, got an idea. I know you can clear coat it. I know you can use linseed oil, all that kind of stuff. This is just the combination I decided to try. So I'm happy with the results. And by the way, this patina sauce smells so badass. I love the way it smells. Just a little bit I did on a little test panel when it was in the shop. The shop smelled awesome for like a month, a solid month every time I'd open the shop. So I can just imagine what it's gonna smell like and for how long. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. This build, we've done it all on YouTube, so there's a lot going on this thing. Be sure to check out some of the videos on it. If you always come back, thank you guys for coming and watching my videos. If you're on Instagram, I'm on there at Puddin's Fab Shop. If you guys want to help me out, all you gotta do is drop a comment down below, like, share, subscribe. It helps my channel grow, and we're steadily growing, so I appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. But don't forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. That's not a bad looking lineup. Shiny like a hiney. Patina sauce on there, baby.